Hi guys, welcome back. Thank you for being here. Appreciate it. Hope you're doing great. So today I'm going to show you how I do my pasta salad. Recipe I came up with probably, I don't know, a long time ago. I don't want to age myself. Who cares? Whatever. It was probably about 15 or 20 years ago, and I love it. It's such a great, yummy salad to go with like summer grilling. It's just perfect. And I hope you guys try it. It's delicious. It's super colorful. Lots of different things go in it, and takes a little time to prep it. So worth it. So let's get started. Let me know if you try it or if you try anything, or just leave a comment and say hi. All right, here we go. Okay, look how beautiful these are. So first we're going to cut some vegetables. I'm just going to make half of the tricolor pasta because it's just us here. But normally I would make like the whole box, and it would make a big, nice big bowl. So you would use everything here. And possibly even 2 of these, but I'm probably only going to use half of these, and then maybe like 8 of these, and probably the whole thing of this. So let's get chopping. So for these, if you have bigger ones, I just cut this in half, and then I cut this in half. So it's like a nice bite size for people. Okay, so we have our vegetables cut up. I only actually used half of that broccoli head since I'm just doing like a recipe here. So I have a couple tablespoons of olives here that I put in a bowl, and now we're going to slice up some cheese. So this is extra cheddar, and this is what I like in here. So we're gonna slice these up in little bite-sized pieces. Okay, so probably have a good 1/4 cup of cheese, full 1/4 cup. And you want them in chunks like this because you want that bite, so don't use shredded. Okay, so now we are going to put together the little secret ingredient I do. Okay, and did I say 1/4 cup of cheese? That's more like a 1/2 cup, sorry. So now we are gonna take an actual 1/4 cup of red wine vinegar, just a little bit less than a 1/4 cup actually. And a tablespoon of sugar. And we're gonna microwave it so the sugar kind of melts into it. And this goes into the pasta with the mayo and all the good stuff. So let's just microwave it for like 10 seconds or so the sugar dissolves. All right, here comes the fun part. So after you've boiled the pasta and drained it, and then I just run cold water over it so it's cold because you don't want it hot. We are going to we're going to start with a 1/2 cup of mayo. And then I'm only going to do like half of this because this is a lot for, trust me, it's red wine vinegar. I would probably use this amount for the full box. So I'm just going to do like half. And then kind of mix this a little bit just so I can get an idea of the mayo. Mixture. Okay, because we're going to be adding all the veggies, so I'm probably going to do another like 1/4 cup of mayo. So now let's add in broccoli, our tomatoes, green onion, red bell pepper, orange bell pepper, our olives, and our cheese. And then mix this around. Oh, isn't it so pretty and colorful? Perfect. Yeah, so if you're gonna make the whole box, just double the amount of the veggies that I cut and the mayo, and then just use the whole thing of red wine vinegar mixture that we made. So now you're just gonna salt and pepper it to your taste, how you like it. So I'm probably gonna do like a teaspoon of salt and pepper, and we'll go from there. Okay, that worked really well, doing a teaspoon of each of that. So now we're just gonna cover it and put it in the fridge so these all can kind of sit in with all the flavors. And when you take it out to serve it, if you know, just mix it up to moisten it, and if it's a little dry, add more mayo. That's it, because it's going to soak up all this deliciousness. So you might need to add a little bit more mayo, but that's it. It's so colorful, so delicious. I hope you guys try it out. There you go. See you next time. Bye.